Welcome back. Did you do it yesterday? Be honest. Did you try the experience yesterday? If not, stop right here and go back, watch that video and do it. Because today lesson build on top of it. And trust me, you don't want to skip this step. Let's talk about manifestation. If I ask you right now, what do you want to manifest in the next 30 days? What will you say? Money? Love, or my dream job? Awesome. But if you don't know what you want, easy. Just look around. What you don't like, the opposite is what you want. Now let's make it real. Take your desire and write it down to the sentence. Did you write it down? Good. And here's an example I might see. I want to make $1 million by end of this year. Well, I want to find my soulmate in the next night. Or you just say, I want blank. Right after that, when you say it, how does that feel? Say it out loud. I want $1 million by end of this year. How does that make you feel? Now check with your body. Does it feel real or does it feel very far away? Do you feel the tension? If it's so, where? Is it in your chest, throat, or your stomach? Let's rate it for 1 to 10. 1 is low, 10 is high. Write down in your paper. Let's play a word game. World shape your belief, and belief create your reality. So let's try a simple practice. If you change want to can, like this: I can make $1 million by the end of the year. Or I can find my soulmate in the next 90 days. Say it out loud. And how does that make you feel? Better or worse? Rate it 1 to 10. Write it down on the paper. And we get back to it. Let's try to change can to could. I could make $1 million by the end of the year. Or I could find my soulmate in the next 30 days. Again, how does that make you feel? Rate it 1 to 10. And where is that tension you feel in your body? And number 3, we're going to change could to like. Like this. I like the idea of making $1 million by the end of this year. Or I like the idea of finding my soulmate in the next 30 days. Sorry, change it. In the next 90 days. Boom. Do you feel any shift with all these 3 different exercises? Which one you feel the lightest? And most exciting or motivated or more real with your body? Everyone has their own preference, but I personally love the last one. What about you? I would like to know in the comment section which version you feel the best, and share in the comment below.